ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కదా తర్వాత Sir, please move it.
Yes, sir. Yes. Come.
Yes. So it's a made in India, vocal for local. Entire products are made in vocal for local. Yes.
Back and I'm moving up.
వాళ్ళందరూ కలిపి వీడియో
కూడా పడిపోయారు
డిఆర్ఎం అయినాడు కదా. ఇంకా లెక్క మధ్యలో బాబు వెనక్కి రావాలి.
Protect our staff during broad days. So one of our officers, I gave him that idea, and we are really grateful to him that he developed it. And we named it Captain Rajat at the time. Arjun stands, it's an acronym basically. It stands for always be responsible and use it to be nice. So the basic purpose at that time was to detect the temperature through temperature gun, dispense sanitizer and masks, and make basic announcements to take care about your health. But after that, we always had this thing in mind that we should develop a robot which is a force multiplier and which gives you which gives us an edge in these times. So we have solar powered cameras now, we have drones now, GPRS trackers, and this was the fourth thing. And I must compliment Mr. Ajay Dubey and his team, who have really worked very hard with RoboCoupler Limited, and DRM Shri Lalit Gora, who was really following it up like anything to make it happen. So this is just a technological demonstration, and we all dream about Viksit Bharat, and we have to work towards it. So in coming years, I am sure that we will have these robots in many places and many stations, and it is really giving immense inputs to our all departments of railways, whether it is cleanliness, whether it is safety, whether it is security, whether it is passenger announcement, you name it and you will have it. So it's a great, you can say, technological enabler and force multiplier to our entire railway system. And the copyright is with Indian Railways.
Yes.
They are taking this path, these are their movements, and by observing these movements, it can always raise us alarm. Similarly, there are few people who come to station who do the stealing activities. So the data coming up and data getting analyzed by AI is the theme of the day. Now everywhere we are talking about AI, and this is one example where all these data will be analyzed by the AI, all these pictures will be analyzed, and accordingly we can raise an alarm, and the RPF which is standing at the station can immediately take action against those persons.